Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're looking at a synchronizer, or sometimes called a buzz box. This is what you use to time your magnetos. It has a jumper for the left mag, the right mag, and the system ground. It powers on, uses a 9-volt battery. Nothing complicated about it. A new unit's about $70. Well, this one, we've marked it questionably bad, and we're trying to figure out why.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
Now, nothing complicated about the box. With the battery inside, the lights come on, you hook it all up. When the mags open the points, it lets a buzzer to know that the points are open, and you can check your timing mark on the flywheel. So let's take a look inside and see what might be wrong with this one. Now, as you can see, this is where the battery goes for the 9-volt battery. There's your buzzer, a switch, and then a circuit board that is affixed to the switch, which I really don't want to remove because it's riveted into place. And then probably no way to really get in there. When you think about $15 to ship it back to the manufacturer, $15 back after a repair plus the repair, it's just cheaper to order a new one, which we did from Aircraft Sprue. So this is what the inside of the buzz box looks like. I'll be able to harvest from there a battery clip and 3 jumpers, and then the rest of it will probably go into recycling. So anyway, that's what the inside of a buzz box looks like. One screw right there to a post all the way on the bottom, and that is what they're made of. Nothing complicated. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, folks, and have fun flying in your Grumman. Up in it and she feels safe. There she is.